Axie Infinity is a video game that uses non-fungible tokens (NFT) to create unique digital assets. In the game, players can collect, breed, and train their own team of creatures called Axies. These Axies can then be used in battles against other players or AI opponents. The game was created by a team of experienced game developers, including ex-Niantic employees who worked on Pokémon Go. The team is based in Tokyo, Japan. What makes Axie Infinity unique is its use of NFT. Unlike most games which use fiat currency or in-game items as currency, Axie Infinity uses NFT for all transactions within. This includes buying, selling, and breeding Axies. NFT are digital assets that are unique and cannot be replicated. This makes them perfect for use in video games, as each player can own a unique asset that can't be copied or stolen. The use of NFT also allows for more complex game mechanics. For example, in Axie Infinity, players can breed their Axies to create new and unique creatures. This wouldn't be possible with traditional game currency or items. If you're interested in playing Axie Infinity, the first thing you'll need to do is create an account. You can do this by visiting the game's website. Once you created an account, you'll be able to log in and start playing. The game is free to play, so you won't need to spend any money to get started. There are two main ways to earn rewards in Axie Infinity: by winning battles and by breeding new Axies. Winning battles will earn you experience points, which can be used to level up your team of Axies. You will also earn in-game currency, which can be used to buy new items and upgrades for your Axies. Breeding new Axies will earn you DNA tokens, which can be used to purchase rare and exclusive Axies. Axie Infinity has been met with positive reviews from gamers and blockchain enthusiasts alike. The game has already amassed a large following on social media, with over 60,000 followers on Twitter. One of the main attractions of Axie Infinity is the potential for rewards. Players can earn Axie tokens, which can be used to purchase in-game items or traded on exchanges. Axie Infinity is revolutionizing the game industry by bringing blockchain technology to the world of video games. The use of NFT provides a more secure and transparent gaming experience, while also allowing for more complex game mechanics. With its growing fan base and potential for rewards, Axie Infinity is set to become one of the most popular blockchain games in the world. We hope you enjoyed watching the video. Subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on crypto and stocks.